So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first, you want to expand HQ local machine. And now you want to expand system. And now you want to expand current control set. And now you want to expand services. And now you want to click on time broker SVC. Just scroll down until we find time broker SVC. Click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And now once we're here, you want to find start, double click on it. In this box right here, you want to type in the number 4 and then click on OK. Next, we're going to go back to system right here. So we're going to scroll up. We're going to unexpand services and unexpand current control set. You want to go back to system. Now you want to expand system. And now you want to expand control set 001. Again, you can follow everything that I'm doing up here. And now you want to expand services. And now you want to click on NDU. You want to scroll down till we find NDU. Click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. And now once we're here, again, you want to find start. Double click on it. You want to make the value data 4. In this box, put the number 4 here. And then click on OK. For the next step, go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to scroll down until we find sysmain. Scroll down till we find sysmain. Double click on it. You want to make the startup type disabled. Click on apply. And then you want to make the service status stopped. So click on stop, which will then make the service status stopped. And then click on OK. For the last step, restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.